How does Monopoly Go airplane mode works? Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you a specific method for you to be able to use the technique or trick in airplane mode in Monopoly Go. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is make sure that you have fully set up the cities right here. Now, how does it work is actually a specific method primarily used to optimize high multiplier rules for events, tournaments, and landing on specific titles. This is actually a reset. So say for example, if you head down and roll your dice and then you are currently placed on a specific tile that is actually a bad place, then that's the time that you're gonna have to immediately turn on your airplane mode so that it will reset the multiplier, or you will get back to the very first place that you're in. But take note that given that the name from itself is glitch, you might want to have to try this multiple times so that you will be successful in doing this technique. In the tin, that is how the Monopoly Go airplane mode works.